Hi friends, today I am going to discuss how to create a dashboard. Just look here, here is a dashboard and this one is a dashboard pages, you can say. And now this one is the dashboard head, and now this one is the dashboard sidebar, now the body. So dashboard body has been given, and then you can use the server functions, input output, and shiny apps can be created. So just most of the time, and just you are going to create a website, web applications, and some apps like this one. So need to learn these four things is a very important thing. One is the dashboard pages, keep in your mind, and dashboard header, dashboard sidebar, dashboard body. These four are the most important if you are using a Python and R both, but I am going to create this dashboard in R language. So let's see. Just we need to download two things. One is the shiny, I have already. If you don't know, just look here, go the install and keep here shiny. So you can look here and click here and install there, like here. So this is the way to install, and then after installing you can go here, right here the shiny here, and then you click here. Similarly we can again download the shiny dashboard. So look here, I have already the shiny dashboard had. So I have already downloaded both of libraries. Okay, so then we are going to write this one. So if you write here, just I want to write here UI applications, and then look here dashboard page. So dashboard page here, look here, I have seen here. Then click here, because I have already written this one. We need to the dashboard here, the dashboard header right here, this one, and then you keep here, because you can put the header inside, need to the putting here this type of, just look here Mahi apps, and this term you can write here, but we are going to create only basic dashboard, like a plain, you can say the blank dashboard. So I am creating here, and next is the second, after this one is dashboard sidebar. So you need to write here dashboard sidebar, look here, and then you can put here comma, and now you need to create a dashboard body. So dashboard body, it has been given here, and then we go to create this one dashboard. So before create you need to server. So now we write here server, okay, and then server, and go ahead, server need a functions, and you can parenthesis write the input and output, input comma output, right, and then don't need the double brackets here, because I have here you put it, and then you put here this type of middle brackets, right. So it has been completed, and now I want to create a shiny app. So you write here shiny and apps, and we have already the form UI and server. So keep here UI comma server, UI comma server. So your application has been ready. And now go to try here, this one, shiny and apps. Okay, and look here, what is this? This has been created your interfaces like this. So this one is the, look at the plain, means blank dashboard has been created, and you can also create. So next time we will discuss, so many things has been created.